Are you ready to take your boating experience to the next level? If so, then you need to know about the incredible toroidal propeller. This revolutionary propulsion system is changing the game when it comes to efficiency, speed, and performance. The toroidal propeller is a stunning example of cutting-edge engineering and design. Its unique doughnut or torus-shaped blades are arranged in a circular pattern around the central hub, creating a vortex as it rotates. This vortex reduces turbulence and drag, enabling the propeller to provide great thrust and speed with less power compared to traditional propellers. But that's not all. The toroidal propellers are also incredibly versatile, able to operate efficiently in a variety of conditions, including at high speeds and in rough seas. They provide a smoother ride and reduced vibration and noise, making your boating experience more comfortable and enjoyable. From commercial ships and naval vessels to recreational boats and even underwater vehicles, the toroidal propeller is changing the game when it comes to marine propulsion. So are you ready to dive in and discover the incredible benefits of the toroidal propeller? Firstly, get ready to be amazed by the ingenious design of the toroidal propeller. Instead of traditional blades, the toroidal propeller features two blades that loop together, with the tip of one blade curving back into the other. This unique closed-form structure is a game-changer in the world of aerial drones and other applications. The toroidal propeller's design significantly reduces the drag effects of swirling air tunnels, also known as vortices, that are created at the tips of traditional propeller blades. This not only increases the propeller's overall stiffness, but also reduces its acoustic signature without compromising its performance. The main question arises here is why toroidal propeller and why not multi-copter props? Well, as Dr. Thomas Sebastian, a senior member in Lincoln Labs, said, propellers, as we know, are pretty loud. But with toroidal propeller, get ready to say goodbye to the deafening noises. This propeller is a blessing when it comes to noise reduction. In contrast, multi-copter propellers are notorious for their loud and irritating noise, which can be especially grating in urban areas. The sound emitted by these propellers is often described as whiny and grating to the ears, as it falls within the frequency range that we are most sensitive to as humans. This frequency range is crucial for our ability to hear and understand important sounds like speech and other forms of verbal communication. Not only this, Sharrow Marine is revolutionizing the boating industry with their incredible toroidal loop propellers. These props are so game-changing. They make traditional propellers look like child's play. After years of research and testing, Sharrow has blown the competition out of the water with their silent and efficient design. But how do they work? By eliminating the tip vortices that standard blades create, Sharrow's toroidal props reduce energy loss and noise, a big win for boaters who want to minimize their impact on the environment. These props suck more water through, allowing boats to go faster and farther with less fuel. Sharrow's toroidal props even double the speed that boats can achieve at lower and mid-range RPMs, giving boaters a radically broadened rev range. But that's not all. Sharrow's toroidal props also have an interesting effect on boats' tendency to pitch backwards as it accelerates. Instead of rising up at the stern, the entire boat rises out of the water while staying much more level. This makes for a smoother, more comfortable ride. And the best part? The effect on noise is absolutely profound. With Sharrow's toroidal props, you can kiss loud and annoying propeller noise goodbye. So whether you're a seasoned boater or a first-time enthusiast, get ready to experience the future of marine propulsion with Sharrow's Marine toroidal loop propellers. Just like everything else, these propellers do not come with no drawbacks. These are fairly complex shapes, so they're much harder to manufacture than standard props using cheap and easy injection molding. They're probably the sort of thing you need to get 3D printed. But even if they're double or triple the price of propellers, these are low-cost parts of a drone, and the overall impact might not be that tough on the hip pocket. In conclusion, the toroidal propeller is a revolutionary technology that is changing the game in the world of propulsion. With its innovative design, it offers increased performance, fuel efficiency, and most notably, a significant reduction in noise levels. We hope this video has inspired you to learn more about this exciting technology and consider using it in your own applications. Whether you're building a drone, a boat, or any other type of vehicle that requires propulsion, the toroidal propeller is definitely worth exploring.